got, okay. ID is there. This table got very shortcut form. We got all these values.
Okay,
Okay.
so the
Now,
rollback when once you delete when you deleted that table and then you enter a rollback and it brought the table back, right?
yes,
So
yes.
is this something that the
No, 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 no,
last?
no. But the first thing I did commit. Commit is
Okay,
a command. Commit, for
right.
example, I did till here and the light turns off.
Okay,
Complete table will be gone. If I
okay,
did like this commit, commit, then what will happen? It will permanently save into the database table.
okay,
Now, what I will do, I will delete the table. Delete, delete star from. For example, if I click here now, employee employee now. Sorry, one second. Delete star from. Sorry. Delete from. Sorry, I want to say delete from employee. Okay. If I just click like this, delete from employee, 3 rows completely deleted. Okay. Now,
okay,
if I just click on describe table, I want to see what is there in my table here. You see, all things are there. Only the bottom, 3 rows, this one, 3 rows get deleted at the bottom. Data
okay,
structure remain the same. Data
okay,
structure, top level structure remains the same, but the inside content, what content? This one, my name, this all three, this one, this all three will get deleted completely.
okay.
These rows, okay. But I want this rows, my rows to come back again because I just click on this command here. Okay, roll back like this. I will put here. Roll back completed. Now, if I wanted to go back again and check here, select star from employee, my table got back to normal.
Okay, that's what I wanted to find out. That how do you retrieve that deleted data that
Yes,
you had already? Okay, thank you.
yes. So basically what I have showed today, how do we try to insert the tables, and number second, what exactly I showed you, how we try to delete the table and how we try to get it back. Okay, now there is one more command called truncate command. Truncate command is completely opposite delete. Even though you do rollback also, it won't come back. Once truncate, table values will not come back. Even though you do rollback also, it will not come back. Getting the point?
Okay.
That is what difference between delete and truncate. See here, delete command, if we delete, all the same rows will be deleted. But delete command will roll back the values. Whereas truncate is what? Once deleted, it won't come back again.
So I will just eliminate that complete data structure.
Yes.
Okay.
Truncate command. Truncate command is used to do what exactly? Once this data get deleted, it won't able to come back again. For example, I am putting here like this, truncate. Okay, one second. Truncate table. Okay, what is my table? EMPLOYE employee table. Table truncated. Now, even though I committed, you know that I committed, right? Now, if I want to do rollback again, rollback command will not work once we do truncate. Now, you see here, finish, gone. Rollback command not work when we do the truncate command. That is what the differences between delete and truncate. Delete
Okay.
command, what will happen? Delete. There is a chances that thing can come back, but truncate there is no chance to come back. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to change the job to what exactly? See here, what exactly I want to? I want to rename the job to department. You see here, this job is there, right? This job, I want to rename that to department. How exactly I will rename? Alter table. What exactly I'm doing? Employee table. Then I'm doing a rename. Okay, what exactly I'm trying to do? Rename. I'm renaming the column. What column I want to rename? I want to rename my job to department, right? What is my table name? Job. To what I wanted to change? To department. DEPT department. Enter. Table altered. Now you see here. Oh, sorry. My table gone already. Sorry, my table is totally gone now. There is nothing in the value. Let me put the values inside the table, and then only it will going to get back, right? Now, like nothing will get back into my table. If I type in, nothing is there. Okay. Let's just again insert the values into all the tables. One second. was permanently deleted already. 1 second. Okay, let's click like this. And again, I'm
So how come you didn't get an error message on that if the because it says that the table was altered, but which table? I mean, if there's nothing there, then why?
no table. It is just showing the message, right? No row selected because there is no row only, right?
Mm,
We have no rows. Row is empty now because it's completely
okay.
deleted. Row is empty. There is nothing in that one, right? Row is already deleted now. Okay. For example, I'm putting a salary as 90,000. Okay. And now job I'm putting a VAPT here. Okay. Then again I'm putting a slash and then again I'm putting here 1224. And for example, Mujahid Bhai. So Mujahid Bhai, I'm just putting here like this, and then the last name. Oh, sorry, I don't know what is the name of Mujahid Bhai. Mujahid Bhai, what is your last name? Mujahid Bhai.
Khan, Khan, Khan.
Khan. Okay, fine. KHN Khan. Okay, fine. For example, anything I can give it. For example, anything I can give it. Okay, anything I can give it. Okay. For example, like this, and the job I can give here. Like security admin. Okay, anything I can give it. Okay. Security admin I can give him like this. Okay, any job and then enter. Oh, sorry, what happened here? I just click on enter option. Okay, slash again. 1225. 1 second. Okay. KHN Khan again. Salary I'm putting here as job. Security admin. Okay. Enter. One row created. Now if I want to just click on select star from employee. Okay. Okay, we got this table now. I want to change the department. You see a department here. Oh no, sorry, I see. There I have department, value got reflected now. Are you getting my point? Amir,
Got it. Yes. Got it.
I
Got it.
reflected that value that time, but the value is reflecting when? Value is reflecting now. Before it was
Okay.
just under the database. But
Okay.
when I inserting now, automatically job became what? Department.
Right. Got it.
So got it now, right? All of them. So
Yeah.
this is for the task. I want you to create the task today. What I showed you about insert the values in the table, because if I show more, then it will be more confusion. Okay, just I'm just going a little slowly now. Okay, what was that here? 1 second. Insert. Oh, this will be very small for you guys. Okay, let's just put the size little big now. Okay, 18. Okay, now insert. Okay, it is okay right now. The size. Amir, insert.
Yeah.
Explicit.
This is fine.
Okay, shortcut. Okay, insert. We see the shortcut method with insert, and then I showed you about delete command, how to delete command, and then I showed you about the truncate command. Okay, and then I showed you after that I showed you about update command, update update command, and then I showed you about what do we call it?
Rollback.
Rename. Yeah, update and rollback also, commit
Yeah.
and rollback. Okay, commit and roll back. Okay, commit and rollback also I showed you, and then I showed you about this rename command. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you guys able to create and show it to me? Any questions you guys are having
Sure.
now?
Inshallah.
Okay.
Yep.
Assignment. I didn't receive any assignment from anyone so far yet. Mujahid bhai, you got Oracle installed in your PC now.
Yes, I installed, but I didn't get the shortcut on the desktop. I don't know why.
You didn't get what exactly?
The shortcut. Uh,
Shortcut. You go to the command prompt, right? I told you once it get installed, it will be installed like this.
yeah, but you said one icon comes on the desktop, right? But I didn't get any.
Like this icon,
Yeah,
will be there.
I didn't get that one. That's why I'm telling. But from the command prompt, I can go into Oracle SQL.
Okay, from the command prompt.
Yeah. But I
Let me
didn't
check
get.
it again. Let me check it. What screenshots? What screenshot are you getting now? Just let me get it again. Okay, let me see what exactly screenshot you're getting. Okay. Or Amir, did you try installing now Oracle on your PC?
My work will be done over the weekend, inshallah. I'll complete everything.
Okay, fine. Shravanti, any status on your Oracle?
Sir, I not install, sir. It's not getting to me.
It's not getting to you. Okay, fine. So did I not share you the exact steps how to install the complete? Are you not following those
Yeah,
steps?
I tried it, sir. It is asking employee ID and everything else.
Okay, come to my institute. I will share you the software. Simply, like you can simply bring the pen drive. I will download on your PC. Okay,
If
and
not, can I ask to my college friends, anyone else? Our
okay,
faculty
fine.
also will be there.
Okay, ask them if it install. It's okay. If it didn't get installed, I have the pen drive. You can come to my institute. Okay, I will give you that software. Download.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Okay. Any questions? All of them.
you. No,
Zishan
sir.
was,
No, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Zishan,
Yes. Yeah.
so after logging into this SQL, just we have to type exit, EXIT to exit from there or just close it, the command.
Exit. See here.
From SQL, do I have to type it exit to exit it or just
No,
close it?
just click on next, finish, and then this icon will come, right?
No,
Automatically,
no,
this
no, no.
icon will come.
No, I'm not talking about that one. I already got it. I am in the SQL.
Acha,
So from
okay. First thing, type CMD, command prompt,
I
and type
did that
SQL.
also. I
Yeah,
did all
SQL
that.
plus slash no
Yeah.
log. Did you type this command, SQL plus slash no log?
Yes. I'm in there. Now after I did my work, just I have to type it exit or just close that.
Just simply close that one, new command prompt you open, and then you type this command. New command prompt you open, close that all of them, and open the new command prompt.
I'm at the SQL screen.
SQL plus slash no log.
Yeah. And I got connected. I entered the password and everything.
Okay. Now connect sys
Yeah.
as sys dba. Did you type
Yeah.
that password
Yeah.
system?
Yeah.
SYSTEM system. Enter.
Yeah. Now I'm at this screen. Now I want to exit it.
Exit. Don't do
Yeah.
anything. Nothing. No exit. Just simply close it.
Okay, that's what I'm
That's
asking
it.
you.
Simply close it whenever you want to open. Simply
Yeah.
type the same command and simply exit it. No, see.
Oh,
Simply go here like this. Whenever you want, you can simply. No need to put exit command like this. Nothing. Okay.
okay.
Anyone having any questions so far yet?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is
No,
it
sir. I'm good.
about today. I want the practical to be completed. Okay, and also share me the screenshot. How do we try to create the table? I gave you guys the task. What the kind of task you have to create? At least create 4 to 5 rows in that one. 4 to 5 names, 4 to 5 rows.
Sure.
And delete and update and truncate and drop. All these things you show it to me. Then we'll see about data query language.
Okay. Do it on
Okay.
Monday?
Yes, by Monday I need it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
we'll meet on Monday.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.